Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these two designs. This one says the Scout and this one says the Technician, and I made them to be engraved on a pocket watch and on a compass. So that's why they're, circular. And that degree of intricacy, I put a little bit of extra flair on the Technician with the gear, and then I put a bit of extra flair on the Scout with these, like, circle divots. Because you can put decorative divots on your sentence circle, and that doesn't affect your translation. So the sentence circle is this outer circle, and you can tell where to start reading with this marker here. And it's at the bottom because reading order is bottom counterclockwise. So our first word here, bottom counterclockwise, our first letter is this one here. And actually both of them start with the word the. And a TH can be done as two letters or as a TH as one letter, which is a completed circle on the line of the word circle. So TH. TH and then an E. Vowels are smaller than consonants, so vowel, 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 vowel. And vowels have different positions depending on what vowel they are, and if they're attached on one of these four consonant stems, this E is all by itself, just right on the line of the word circle. So the and the. And then we have Scout. This is a shallow divot, so we're in this row, and there's 1, 2, 3 lines ending on it, so that means we're in this column, so that would be an S. 3 lines, shallow divot. Then we have this C. It is a completed circle, and it has 4 dots, because it's in the 4-dot column. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this O is attached to the C, like a bead on a string, like this one here. And a U has a line going outwards, away from the word circle. And then this T, last but not least, shallow divot with no modifiers. And then here we have the Technician, where we have this shallow divot here, no modifiers. E, all by itself, on the line of the word circle. CH has 2 dots, 2 dot. N and I together. And N has 1 line on it, which is that line there, and the I has a line going towards the middle of our word circle, or roughly, like this one's going more away, this one's going more towards the middle of the circle, so this is the I line, that is the N line. And then a C, again, 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the I, again, a line going more towards the middle than towards the outside, and then this N has a line on it, and then the A is a little guy outside the word circle. So yeah, that's that, and that's how both of those designs are read, and it looks like I had 0 typos and are ready for engraving.